Welcome to ProHands Home Improvement. Today, we're diving into the costs of a kitchen remodel in Los Angeles for 2026. Whether you're dreaming of a sleek, modern kitchen or aiming for a cozy, traditional feel, understanding the financial landscape is key. Let's explore what you can expect. Several factors influence the cost of a kitchen remodel. Material choices, labor expenses, and design complexity all play significant roles. High-quality materials like quartz countertops and custom cabinetry can elevate both your kitchen's aesthetics and the overall budget. Labor costs in Los Angeles are competitive, reflecting the city's vibrant home improvement industry. Let's break down the pricing. For a budget-friendly kitchen remodel in Los Angeles, expect to spend between $25,000 and $40,000. A mid-range renovation might set you back $50,000 to $75,000. For a high-end luxury kitchen transformation, costs can soar upwards of $100,000 or more depending on your choices. Here are a few tips to manage your kitchen remodel budget effectively. First, prioritize your must-haves over nice-to-haves. Consider mixing high-end and budget-friendly materials for a balanced look. Always get multiple quotes from contractors to ensure competitive pricing. And remember, good planning can save both time and money. Embarking on a kitchen remodel journey? Trust the experts at ProHands Home Improvement. Visit ProHandsHandyman.com for a free consultation. Let's bring your kitchen dreams to life.